how to fix Valorant graphics card problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here update, click check for updates. Now make sure to install all the updates that you can find here. Now let's move to the next step. Type here graphics settings, and now click browse, and here you need to find Riot games folder, and after that click Valorant live, and then shooter game binaries 164, and here we'll find Valorant. Click on it and click add, and that's it. Then just click options, and now just try. If you find it like that, just select the first one, and if that doesn't fix it, then just try high performance and click save, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.